Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And here you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.